Learning. Got it. CD 1. Welcome. Page 4. Exercise 4. A. B. C. D. E. F. Unit 1. Nobody lives here. Page 10. Exercise 1.
Calico, a Californian ghost town. What was life like during the American silver and gold rush? How did people live? Come to the historic town of Calico and find out. In the late 19th century, people from all over the world traveled to California to look for silver and gold. They built small mining towns everywhere in the area. Calico was once a busy silver mining town with 500 silver mines. It had a population of 1,200 people, and there were stores, hotels, cafes, a church, and a school. When the silver rush ended at the start of the 20th century, everybody left Calico, and today, nobody lives there. Attractions. Calico is now a major tourist attraction. Walk down Main Street and look at the old stores and cafes. Turn right after Lil's Saloon and visit Maggie's Mine, or take a ride around town on a mining train. And why not stay a few days? Calico has a luxury campground. Calico has something for everyone. Come and discover it. Visitors Guidelines. Please follow the town rules. 1. The old mines in the area are very dangerous. You mustn't go near them. 2. You must keep your animals under control. 3. You mustn't drive in the town. Leave your car in the official parking lot. 4. You mustn't enter the private buildings or take anything from the town. 5. You must use the official picnic areas and you mustn't start fires. 6. You mustn't leave trash in the area. Take it home with you.
Unit 1. Vocabulary. Page 12. Exercise 1. 1.
Cafe.
2.
Parking lot.
3.
Library.
4.
Bank.
5.
Post office.
6.
Church.
7,
Bus stop.
8,
Hospital.
9,
Sports center.
10,
Police station.
11,
Park.
12,
Shopping mall.
13.
Bus station.
Unit 1, Communication, page 14, Exercise 1.
Excuse me, how do I get to the bank, please?
Go down Madison Avenue as far as the traffic lights. Turn left and go up West Street. Go straight on at the roundabout, and the bank is on the right. It's opposite the park.
Thanks.
Unit 1, Communication, page 14, Exercise 2.
Church. Far. Library. Market. Over. Park. Right. Road. Street. Turn.
Unit 1, Communication, page 14, Exercise 3. 1.
Go down Liberty Street as far as the traffic lights, then turn right into Jackson Street. Go to the end of the road and then turn left into East Avenue. Go up East Avenue to West Street. The post office is on the right. It's opposite the shopping mall.
2.
Turn right. Go straight on at the roundabout and go down West Street to the traffic lights. Turn right into Madison Avenue and the bus station is on the right. It's opposite the train station.
3.
Cross over the road at the crosswalk and then take the first turning on the left. This is East Avenue. Go down East Avenue and the supermarket is on the right. It's opposite the church.
Unit 1, Skills, page 17, Exercise 3.
In the studio today, we have a police officer, Denzel Wilcox, who is talking about how to be safe on the roads. Denzel, traffic is a big problem in towns today.
Yes, it is. In the past, towns were quiet and there wasn't a lot of traffic. But today, traffic is a serious problem for adults and teenagers, especially when teenagers ride their bikes to school.
Yes, cycling is a great sport, but it can be dangerous too. Are there any important rules to remember when you ride your bike?
Yes, there are. When you're on your bike, try to remember these 4 important rules. 1. You must wear a helmet to protect your head. 2. You must look at road signs. 3. You must ride on the correct side of the road. 4. You must give clear hand signals before you turn left or right.
Are there any other rules?
Yes, there are. When you're on your bike, you mustn't listen to music, and you mustn't chat with friends. You mustn't have 2 people on one bike. It can be very dangerous.
What about clothes? Do you need special clothes when cycling?
It is important to have the right clothes. When riding your bike, you must wear bright colors so drivers can see you, and you must wear the correct shoes. Teenagers must think about safety first and not fashion.
Thank you, Denzel. So next time you're on your bike, remember Denzel's rules and stay safe.
At Euro English, quality is our priority. We'll help you succeed.